Welcome back to our channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya and I'm Akriti. So in our last video, we asked you guys if you want a Sarojini haul, and here we are doing a Sarojini haul for you guys, and we had super fun shooting it. So guys, I think I should give you a few pointers if you want to go shop at Sarojini. These are actually all the clothes which we have previously bought from Sarojini, and we thought of showing you guys what amazing clothes you can go get from there. And how basically the market works is that it's a surplus market. So whatever clothes India needs to export to another country and it has some little defect, it gets rejected, and these guys buy them in bulk in kilos. So they sell them off very cheap. And also, when you're shopping, you need to have a keen eye to look at all of that and look at the defects if they have any, because in that huge bunch of clothes, you just dig in and take out stuff without even looking. And once you come back home, you realize, oh my god, there is something.
Yeah, so those clothes are actually branded, but they have very tiny defects. So make sure you check really closely before you buy them. Even the clothes which I have, they have very tiny defects. One or the other piece has something. But yeah, just closely look and buy them.
Yes.
And what else? Well, the market from outside, if you go, you will not find anything. But if you want some really nice clothes and some happening western wear, I think you should go towards the center of the market. It's really hard to find clothes there. Like, she does not belong to Delhi. She went there and she couldn't find anything. How was your experience?
Bad. I was just roaming around doing nothing and I can't even bargain. So
yeah,
I ended up buying stuff which was way too expensive, and when I asked her that this is what I got, she's like, what? Why did you pay so much?
So what we used to do was, I used to send her clothes from Delhi and she used to wear them here. Also, yeah, bargaining is very, very important. How did you bargain, Shaurya?
I did not bargain. I told him that listen, it's not for 500, and he's like, no, we don't reduce the price. I'm like, okay, fine, I won't buy it then. He's like, okay, don't buy. I walked off. I thought he'll call me back, but that did not happen. And I went back, ended up picking it for 500, which is
500 is a lot for Sarojini.
Yes.
So basically, if you go there, whatever price they quote to you, you have to quote exactly half of that. Or even lesser, you know, all the shorts and all this I wear, they used to say that it's for 400 or something. I used to always get them for 100 or 150. So it's a really cool place if you know how to bargain. Otherwise, please don't buy it. And Sarojini is such a place that I've actually seen something I picked up from there once, and during the sale, it was the same piece which was there in the mall also. So at the same time, you can get it in Sarojini when it's in the mall also. How cool is that?
The other thing is that once you pick up stuff from Sarojini, you might notice that if you're wearing that in Delhi, you might notice somebody else wearing the same thing and you being in an awkward situation. So I think you should pick up clothes from Sarojini and wear it in a different city altogether.
Exactly, because whenever you see in Sarojini, a lot of other people go buy the same stuff which is trending and they just end up wearing it in the same city. So I used to buy from there and wear it in Pune or anywhere else.
Yeah, so she used to transport everything to Pune and I used to wear it in Pune.
And in summers it gets really, really hot in Sarojini. So if you want to go shop there, please make sure you have water. You have a huge bag so that you can dump all your clothes in it, because you're going to be shopping a lot. Even in 3,000 you can end up wearing so many clothes. So you need something really big to dump your stuff inside.
Yes.
And there was one more thing I wanted to say, which was, yeah, so please make sure that your money is safe when you're traveling, because last time I was going, I had money in my bag and I'm shopping and I'm going in Sarojini and people are pushing me, shoving me, and then my 3,000 rupees were gone.
Huh?
So yeah, and 3,000 rupees in Sarojini is a lot of money. So please guys, just make sure that your money is safe when you're shopping there. You will not even get to know and people will just steal it.
Shit. So yeah, keep your money safe, keep yourself safe and enjoy shopping.
So here's a Sarojini haul, and we're just gonna be walking around and showing you our clothes. So let's start.
some of the stuff that we have from Sarojini Nagar. We really hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell us which outfit you like the most.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be coming back with another new video really soon. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.
See ya!